Latest model of 3.5 kg max capacity Abdullah Kneader AE390 being checked for Daraz order. This is the shipping label. 19th March 2024. The machine is okay from all the sides. This is the back side. This is the bottom. There are no damages, and now we will start it. As you can see, the machine has started and it will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It has a plastic blade, a measuring flask and a metal blade which is installed inside. We then pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. This is the instruction manual and warranty booklet. We then pack it in this brown sheet, then further in shrink wrap or bubble wrap, and apply these fragile stickers on the carton for safe passage till the customer's address. There you can see the machine is automatically stopped and it is perfectly okay. And now we will pack it for Daraz. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. This model is also called the high top model and it is the latest model. Currently available in stock. Mostly it is very short. वो स्टिकर डालो रिव्यू का. अब इसको दराज के लेना पैक कर दो.